So hello and welcome back. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna show you guys how to become space rich. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And I already set this up to craft these drones, tier 4, which I'm gonna sell. I'm buying all the base materials and just adding them into the launch pad, all tier 1 products, which later creates tier 2, which creates tier 3, which in the end creates tier 4, which we're selling. So yeah, you put the materials in the launch pad, and some of them use the same, so it's easier to have like 3 different for each tier 3 product. It's guides on YouTube like how to do this. Like you have everything in your inventory, just drag it, transfer, go to another, and once you do that, like route them to each, route them to the tier 3, and then all tier 3 to the tier 4. Here, tier 4. Alright, so let's dig into the numbers of this. So what I do is I divided up same product into 2 planets, and I'm gonna do wet wear frames here, and I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the 2 others. Because if you're gonna do like this, like I counted here, it's a profit of 61 million each time I'm doing this. But it takes roughly around 350 hours for everything to complete. So I was gonna do this on each planet at the beginning, but I changed my mind. So now we're doing it, we're gonna do 1 tier 4 product on these 2 planets. Like I'm gonna change these planets, I'm not gonna use this. It needs to be a barren or a temperate planet to even be able to do tier 4 products. But yeah, if you split this up, like you're buying 16,000 of each base material, what I'm calling them, you can then drop this down to a 7 days, like a routine. So while you're doing missions, PvP, while you're mining, while you're doing all other stuff that you're interested in, you're earning around 61 million on 2 planets. And it's a weekly thing, like I said. If you put this up later, like when I'm completed, you have two fabrics here, 2 fabrics here, and 2 fabrics here. You're gonna make a profit of around almost 200 million ISK. And also if you do this on your alts, you do the same. Since it's like takes 7 days to complete everything, you can almost make like 550 million. So it's a lot of money, it's a passive income. Yeah, that's it, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna drop a video after this, like how I set this up, so you can also like do the same and you can see how I did it. There's probably 100 different things how you can do this. This is like how I make my money, and this video is for you guys so you can start doing money. But yeah, that's it. Fly safe.